Good afternoon, my name is Mónica Andrea Bernal Velázquez. Good afternoon, tutor. Good afternoon, companions. 10. Step 3. Identify technology value. The number 9. Weisrum diagram describing cause and consequence. Think. Innovation barrier cost factor, not technological innovation, organization innovation, marketing innovation, use of information for innovation, difficulties in interpret the result of the resulting value, business performance, factor barrier, market factor barrier regulation factor. The value methodology can be complex. The recommendation to face the difficulty defined in the Weisrum diagram. Number 1, of always remain at the forefront of new technologies, advance and innovation in these economics activities. Number 2, always be dissuaded to unforeseen events, tolerance of failure, tolerance of frustration. And number 3, facilitate research and obtaining technology and information. Thanks. My name is Mónica Andrea Bernal Velázquez. Study Engineering Industrial. Thanks.